Okay, hi. Now I'm fine, and I believe you're fine. So welcome to learn that theory formula concerned about the cylinder. First is about the cylinder, or how to find the area of the cylinder which are opened both the sides. That formula is concerning about the area. And this, as you see here, we have this is a cylinder, this one. And from there we have this, we try to show this cycle concerned about letter D, means diameter. And this one concerned about R, means this is radius. And this is height. But this is cylinder. And as you see here, means opened both side. As here you see the opened both side means the area of cylinder opened both side. From there, have to say the area is equal to, in case of diameter, the area is equal to pi d h, means pi d h. This is the area of finding what? Finding the area of a cylinder opened both side for the case of diameter. But for the case of radius, that area is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Area is equal to 2 pi r h for the case of 40 radius. I think that you understood about that. This is area for cylinder opened both sides. For the case of diameter, pi d h. But for the case of radius, 2 pi r h. Thank you. That's the first formula about a cylinder. Also, how to find the area, this one. How to find the area of the cylinder, but that cylinder closed one side. As you see here, this side and this side. But this one is opened side and this one is closed side. We write this in order to show that maybe you can get the shape of the cylinder which contain this side, or this side or one cycle concern about this cylinder has letter R, means radius, and the other maybe they can give you the cylinder which contain about diameter, means what? Diameter, but denoted by D. That area of cylinder closed one side, the area is equal to pi dh plus pi d square over 4. As you see here, area is equal to, for the case of the cylinder closed one side, area is equal to pi dh plus pi d square over 4 for the case of 40 diameter. And also for the case of 40 area, but in the case of 40 radius. Maybe you have the diameter, but you have to find like this. But if you have the cylinder, but we don't have diameter, but there is a radius like this, but you have to use that formula, or this formula. Like area is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Listen, area is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square for radius, means for the case of radius, means that cylinder, if has what radius, you have to use this formula. If there is a diameter, we have to use this formula. That is the second formula. Let us look at the third formula and the last one for today. This is the closed both side, means the area of the cylinder which are closed both side. And this, as you see here, closed, means this is the cylinder but closed both side. The same applied. We know that this is diameter, this is radius, okay, but closed both side. And from there now, this is a height. And from there now, you have to understand the area. What's the formula to find the area of the cylinder closed both side? Area is equal to pi dh plus 2 pi d square over 4. Area is equal to pi dh plus 2 pi d square over 4. Or you can make a simplification here. As you see here, there is 2 and 4. You can make a simplification by table number 2, and it can remain like this. And you can say area now is equal to pi dh plus pi d square over 2. Area is equal to pi dh plus pi d square over 2 in case for what? For diameter. So all of this first one and second one, all are what? The formula for finding what? The area for the cylinder which closed both sides for the case of diameter. And also for the case of radius, you can say area is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. I repeat it. Now you can say area is equal to 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square for radius. Thank you very much, and I'm happy to share with you these 3 formulas. And as you see there, that the first one, and now this second one. And this one is a rusty formula, how to find the area of a radius. Okay, my name is Nicholas Jeremiah. Share with others, help them to get that formula, especially standard 7, and others. I will be happy. Thank you very much.